Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just open the app here and click enable in settings. Now just near the green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap to OK, again OK, and just go back here and click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. And the process is finished, as can you see. And now we'll go somewhere, for example here in the search, and now you can see the look of our new device keyboard, and this keyboard is also close to the iPhone keyboard as all of these emojis, as can you see. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.